Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another update for the Roulette Pen collab, which is a collab that we've been doing for a good few rounds now, so I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with it, but just in case. It was organized by Rebecca and Alexi. They will be linked down below. There's a playlist down below, so check everybody out. This will be going until the 15th of January, so this is the last update before the finale, and let's take a look at how I've been doing. So first of all, let's take a look at the Naked palette that I've been working on. I've got two shadows in here, one for the bought it because of YouTube category. I'm just checking on my paper down here just to be sure, and something that a favorite YouTuber recommended. And well, because it's like all going on YouTube, I'm working on two shades in here. One of them is Buck and one of them is Naked in this palette. Naked, as you can see, has a nice bit of pan already, and my goal for that one was to hit side pan. And as you can see a little bit better in the close-up, I did manage to do that. So I've hit goal on one of the products in this project, but then Buck, I feel like I'm so close. That dip is so deep, but I haven't hit pan yet. So I really feel like in the next week or so I'll probably hit pan on that one. But I'm not there yet, so nothing much that I can do about that. But at least there will be one product rolling out, which means I can roll something new in, which is always exciting. And then I'm just trying to decide what to go with. So this one is a product that I don't like, and it's not per se that this product itself is not great or anything. I'm just not an eyeliner type of person, so that's why I put this one in. This is a Catrice Made to Stay Inside Eye Kohl Kajal in black. Is there a name for it? Come Black and Stay. Now I remember again. So I was kind of like, the reason I don't like these is because I cannot get the precision, I cannot get as close to my lash line, and that might be a skill thing, but I just prefer to use eyeshadow as my eyeliner and I just stamp it on. So somebody last month suggested to use an eyeliner brush actually to do the same thing, which was a really good idea. I didn't think about that, so I've been doing that a little bit, and it's been working okay. But the issue for me is that I only have one brush that I use for eyeliner, and then using this first and then putting a little bit of powder on top, it just becomes a bit of a mess on the brush itself because I'm using a cream and a powder on the same brush. So it was a really good idea and it definitely works, but I also realized, because I already kind of knew this, there is a little sharpener at the bottom, and I was talking about how I cannot be very precise with this one, but of course when I sharpen it and I have a proper point, which I don't think you guys can see from there, but you can see it in the close-up, I can be a little bit more precise with it. So that's what I've been partly doing as well. So I've kind of been doing a 50-50 with those two different things. And when I put this against the paper, as you can see in the close-up, I was surprised because I made some pretty nice progress. So I'm happy about that. Like, I don't think I will be finishing this one up by next month, but I think I will be pretty close, which I was not expecting. So I think in like January, February, probably February, March, I might be able to finish this one up in another project. So pretty excited about that. Then, okay, let's quickly talk about this one. Kind of a shame that this one happens to come right before I will be putting out my Panda palette, because it's a Franken shade that is also in my Panda palette. I'm working on the silver shade right here. Again, especially because it's a silver, it's hard to see from there, but I'm really close to using that one up. So that one will be done by the finale, which also pretty exciting. Something else that I know will be done by the finale as well is those three, I want to say eyeshadow samples. Perfume samples, Perfume. And this was a YouTube friend is currently panning this. There's a lot of people panning Perfume, so that's why I picked it. I didn't really know what to pick specifically. Like, my collection is a bit on the older side, so there is not that much overlap with what our people are working on at the moment, but I used up 2 of these already. These were the more empty ones already anyway, so I used up the bubblegum scent and the sugar cookie scent, and I still have buttercream to work on. I've used this once or twice, but it is still like relatively full. But since I've been able to use these two up over the next month, I definitely know that I will be able to finish this one off by the finale as well, so that's exciting too. And then we've got the Sleek Pout Polish. This one is something other people hate, but I love. And this is more because of the scent. It's just, it doesn't have a nice scent. And I've heard other people say that they really don't like it. But this looks a lot more empty. I don't like, I'm afraid to say this, but I think I might be able to finish this one off by the finale. Especially considering this goes on into January, and by January I'm not still trying to focus on the last little things from all the projects that end by the end of the year. So I might be able to actually get all the way through this if I like fully focus on it in the like first 2 weeks of January especially. So excited about that, and happy about the progress that I managed to make. Even though I'm not like fully focusing on it, the progress is still not too bad. So yeah, those were the 6 products that I was working on, and now it's time to roll something new in for that last month. And this time I'm a little bit more excited about it than I was last time, because I know that anything I choose I can definitely use kind of at the beginning of January, even if I do not fully get to it. So I know I will be able to use whatever it is. So let's take a look at what we're gonna get. So I've got my phone here with my amazing Christmas case, and I've got the numbers 1 to 95 in here. So let's see what we're gonna end up with. 18. Just gonna get my laptop and take a look. Okay, so number 18 is the most expensive product you bought and want to get your money's worth out. That's an interesting one, because I haven't been buying a lot of makeup in forever, except for like when I use something up completely. Like I don't have any mascara, so I buy any mascara. I don't have any powders, etc. So I'm gonna have to see what I will pick. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I think I found something. I have no idea whether this is my most expensive product. I bought it a good while ago, so definitely I guess I want to make sure I get my money's worth. And this was one of the first like more expensive products that I bought. So at the time it was more expensive to me than like if I would buy this now, if that makes any sense. So it definitely was like an expensive product in that sense. So I'm gonna go with this one. And like I said, because I know I will be able to use this at the start of January, even though I'm still working on 3 blushes this year, I know I will be able to at least use it a little bit, which is gonna be nice, because I haven't used it in a long time. I won't be able to make any proper progress on it, so it's more of a like, it's just gonna be nice to use it type of thing. I'm not gonna put a usage goal or anything. But anyway, this is the MAC blush in Pinch of Peach. And even though it's called Pinch of Peach, I don't really see the peach in it too much. It's a pretty pinky, subtle blush. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be rolling in, and hopefully I can use it like somewhere between 5 to 10 times or so at the start of January. Yeah, that is it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.